Hi everyone and welcome to this channel. So in this video I'll be showing you how to install one of the best build out there. All you have to do is to make sure you follow the step-by-step guide in this video, and then you will be able to have this build installed on your device. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So the first thing you have to do if you want to install any build on your device is go to settings and then go to system menu and then scroll down to add-ons and then make sure you enable unknown sources. When you click on unknown sources, you will see this warning message. All you have to do is to click yes, and then after that you go back again to the home screen, and on the home screen click on the settings icon, which is like gear button, and then here click on file manager, and then on the file manager menu scroll down and click on add source, and then here on this add source file you have to enter this particular URL, which will allow us to install the build. So click none and then here enter this particular URL. Make sure you enter it correctly. And after that you click OK. Now on the enter a name for this media file section, you can just leave this automatically inputted name, or you can just choose your own name as you may wish. And after that you click OK. After you click OK, next thing to do is go back to home screen again. Go to home screen again. And then on the home screen click on the gear button again, then this time go to add-ons, then scroll down to install from zip file. Now at this point you have to, if you remember the name you used to save the source file, then you will choose it here. In my own case I use repo, but if you use a different name on your own case, you can choose the name you must have used to save the URL. So I will click on repo, and then here I will see the repository wizard file. I'll click on it, and then now it is installing. So after it must have installed, I will proceed to install from repository. So once it's installed, it will show the notification on the screen, and then after that we will now proceed to the next step. Okay, as you can see, it's already I already got the notification. Seaman Wizard repository add-on updated. So next thing to do now is to do what? To click on install from repository. And then scroll down and click on wizard repository. And then here, if you want to install add-ons, at this point you have to scroll down and click on video add-ons. These are the add-ons you will find within this wizard file. If you want to install build, you can also click on program add-ons, and then you will see the Seaman and SG guy GUI wizard. Once you click on it, you scroll down to open, and then once it opens you will see the list of builds within this particular wizard. So these are as you can see, you see builds, maintenance, backup, restore, tools, close. So let's click on builds and see. So once we click on builds, these are the builds you will find within this particular wizard. You see builds, simple. These are the builds you will find here. They are all working builds that you can check out. I have tested most of them, and I can guarantee you that yes, most of them are working. Of course, as you know, builds oftentimes has buffering issue, so you cannot compare build with a proper app that you can use to access contents, right? So of course build has its own issues here and there, so but most of these builds here are working perfectly well. So all you have to do is to choose the one that you find interesting and then have access to it. Then make sure you have a stable internet connection. In case you encounter any buffering, you can drop a comment, and believe me, I will be able to assist you in my own best knowledge. Yeah. So these are the builds you will find within this particular wizard. So let's install this particular build that I found amazing. The name of this build is SMOKIN Build Omega. So let's check it out and let's install it and see what it has to offer. So once you click on it, you go to fresh install and then click on fresh install, and then it will begin to initiate the installation process. And then once you click on fresh install, you click yes, and then it will start initiating the installation process. After initiation, you start to install properly. So after installation, you can close your Kodi add-on, Kodi app on your device, and then it will restart automatically sometimes depending on your device. And then once it restarts, you can now begin to access the content. Bear in mind that you have to use VPN while accessing content on Kodi. This is because Kodi is a third-party software. It doesn't. So what that means is that most of the content there needs to have copyright. Often have copyright issues, right? So to protect yourself, it's recommended you use a VPN. And there are many types of there are tons of VPN providers out there. All you have to do is choose the one that is okay for you, that you love, that you like, and that the subscription plan is also pocket friendly. So oftentimes we recommend IP Vanish VPN, NordVPN, tons of them. So just choose the one that works for you and then install it on your device before you access contents within Kodi. So this is how to have this particular wizard installed and access other builds within this particular wizard. So that's it, guys. Like this video, subscribe to enable the algorithm to recommend this video to other people that needs to know how to install stuff like this. And disclaimer, this video is especially for educational purposes, right? So it's not intended to teach you how to do legal stuff with your Kodi device or Kodi software, right, on the device. So use it judiciously and use it at your own risk. Yes. So whatever consequences that may arise as a result of using this particular build, I am not responsible for it. Okay, so I see